another victim includes the Springfield Fire Department. Andy Cordan just back from Springfield with those details. Andy?
Hey there, Mark. While the firefighters were out assisting citizens, the tornado smashed right into the fire hall number 2 on Bradley Drive. Now, had the crews not been out helping other people, they might have themselves been seriously hurt.
Saturday afternoon, a tornado ravages Springfield. It destroys warehouses, a pizza joint, an AT&T store. It smashes the Kroger and wrecks cars in the Kroger parking lot. The storm shoots a 2x4 into this blue Hyundai.
I never served in the military or in the war, but I mean, that was a scene that I would kind of see it being like if somebody was in war.
When all this is going down, Lieutenant Zach Hooper and his Station 2 firefighters are running from call to call.
To have been on that call was a blessing in disguise for us to not been here.
Little do they know that while they're out helping others, the storm is busy blowing up their fire hall.
Communities like this are blessed to have first responders like you guys. But does it make you think, what if we didn't get the call? What if we're in that fire hall?
Yes, sir.
The destruction here is severe. The bay doors, they're blasted in. The windows to the kitchen explode. This utility trailer is flipped upside down.
It's easy to take some of this stuff for granted when it doesn't affect you personally. But it did this week. This affected a lot of people.
Perhaps most striking of all, this utility pole, uprooted, then fired like a javelin through the front windshield of this firefighter's truck. Thankfully, he too is out with his crew, helping others.
To me, this says everything. You are out serving your community, giving of yourself, and if he had been in that truck at that moment, what happens?
Oh yeah, he's seriously hurt.
He's maybe
hurt.
Dead.
Possibly, yeah, he's seriously hurt.
Will this change how you first respond, knowing now that you're a victim?
Absolutely, yeah. Yeah, you don't take stuff like that for granted. I mean, you can see, like I said, how much damage it done. It's very powerful, very powerful.
And amazingly, nobody was hurt, and the guys at Station 2 are working out of Station 2 while they repair their fire hall. And the firefighters tell me that they really appreciate the outpouring of love and even lunches that community members have been sharing with them since this all went down. Let's send it back to you.